Welcome back to another exciting episode of Curious Kids. I'm your host, William Hartman. Today, we're shooting for the moon. Literally. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how our moon came to be? Well, scientists have a pretty cool theory about how the moon was formed, and it all starts with a giant impact. Let's dive into the story of our moon and discover how it might have been born.
Chapter 1. The Early Earth. Over 4.5 billion years ago, our solar system was a chaotic place, with planets forming and moving around. Back then, Earth was still young, and it looked very different from the planet we know today. It was a hot, molten world, and it was about to experience a collision that would change it forever. Chapter 2. The Giant Impact Theory. Scientists believe that the moon was formed when a Mars-sized object, often called Theia, collided with the young Earth. This massive impact sent debris from both Earth and Theia into space. Over time, this debris started to clump together, forming a ring around Earth. Chapter 3. Evidence supporting the theory. Scientists have several pieces of evidence that support the giant impact theory. For one, the moon's composition is very similar to Earth's, which suggests that they share a common origin. Additionally, the moon has fewer iron-rich materials than Earth, which aligns with the idea that it was formed from the outer layers of both Earth and Theia. Chapter 4. The moon's role in our solar system. The moon plays a crucial role in our solar system. It affects the tides on Earth, stabilizes our planet's tilt, and even influences the length of our days. Without the moon, life on Earth might look very different. The story of how the moon was formed is a tale of cosmic collisions and the incredible forces that shaped our solar system. From a giant impact to the beautiful moon we see today, it's a reminder of how dynamic and ever-changing our universe is. So today, we learned about the early Earth, the giant impact theory, the evidence supporting this idea, and the important role the moon plays in our solar system. The moon is more than just a pretty face in the night sky. It's a key part of what makes Earth the way it is. And now for a lunar joke before we go, why did the moon go to school? To get a little brighter. Thanks for watching, Curious Kids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stellar science adventures. Stay curious and keep exploring. See you next time.